The March-April issue of REIT magazine is now available in print and online. This issue looks at the market currents running through the REIT industry right now, as well as casts an eye on what investors can expect ahead. One of the features in this issue is called the waiting game. It looks at the fact that there's buyers and there's sellers, but not a whole lot of deal activity, and it looks at the reasons why. Alan Kenny's managing editor of REIT magazine. Alan, you wrote a feature called Contradiction in Terms, and in this article you looked at the difference between REIT fundamentals as well as REIT prices. What did you learn there?
Well, it's actually pretty interesting, Matt. Despite kind of worsening outlook nearly universally for REIT fundamentals, we found that analysts, investors are generally quite bullish about REIT share prices.
And in this issue, you also spoke to Walt Rakowich, head of Prologis. Now, Walt's got an interesting story, having come on board a little over a year ago. What did you learn from Walt?
Well, Walt took over in November 2008, which was a pretty tumultuous time for not only Prologis, but also for the REIT industry. He stressed to me that communicating with both Prologis' employees and shareholders was key in helping the company kind of navigate through those choppy waters.
Great, thanks, Alan. Also in this issue, NAREIT economist Brad Case got the chance to speak with University of Wisconsin professor Tim Ridio, and this is what Brad learned.
Yeah, we had a chance to talk to Tim Ridio about several of his recent papers, and one of them is a brand new paper looking at the use of debt by REITs. And what he found was that the REITs that made lower use of debt, had less use of secured debt in particular, had stronger returns, not just during the liquidity crisis of 2008 to 2009, but actually through the entire modern REIT era back to 1991.
To read about these stories and much more, be sure to pick up your copy of the March-April issue of REIT magazine or visit REIT.com.